Hi boys and girls. Today for language arts we're going to be talking about multiple meaning words. So if you look at the board, multiple meaning words, and those are words that have more than one meaning. Okay, so let's get started. For example, I have the word park, and I know that a park has a playground or is a playground, and it looks something like this, right? We all know a park. But then I read a sentence that says, my mom parks the car in front of the store. What? Does that make sense? If this is what a park looks like, how can my mom park the car in front of the store? What? How does that work? It doesn't make sense. I'm confused. It doesn't make sense. Well, it actually does, because park is a multiple meaning word. It has more than one meaning. A park is a playground, and to park means to stop and leave your car somewhere. So it has two different meanings. It's the same word, it's spelled the same way, but it has two different meanings. It could be a playground, or it could mean to leave your car in one place. So if we read the sentence, my mom parks the car in front of the store, which meaning for park makes sense to you? This one or this one? So we got to use some of our knowledge. What do we know? And we have to use the other words in the sentence to help us figure out which park is the right park to use. My mom parks the car in front of the store. Well, we know that we can't park this. My mom can't park this. So the correct answer is probably this one, right? Okay. Good. That makes more sense. My mom parks the car in front of the store. My mom parks the car in front of the store. So remember, if it doesn't make sense, don't continue the rest of the story. You won't understand it. So if the word doesn't make sense, we don't keep going. Okay, here comes another multiple meaning word. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse has two meanings. A mouse is used to work on a computer, like this one, like the mouse on your computer. Or a mouse is a small animal, like this one. It's spelled the same, but it has two different meanings. Mouse for your computer, small animal. So now I'm going to read a sentence to you, and you're going to tell me which mouse is correct. I think I saw a mouse run across the kitchen floor. I think I saw a mouse run across the kitchen floor. So we have to use some clues from our sentence. I see that it says run. Which one of these two can run? A or B? Which mouse is correct? A or B? Tell me. Yes, B is correct. This mouse is the mouse that we're using in the sentence. It can't be A because this mouse doesn't run. This mouse can't run across your kitchen. Another multiple meaning word is fall. Fall. What do you think of when you hear the word fall? So fall can mean fall is a season of the year, and to fall is to drop to the ground. It has two meanings, so it could mean the season of the year or to fall to the ground. Okay? Two meanings, fall. Now I'm going to read you a sentence and you're going to tell me which fall is the correct one. In the fall, the leaves come down and I get my jacket out of the closet. In the fall, the leaves come down and I get my jacket out of the closet. Is it A or B? Now I see some clues in my sentence. Okay, one, it's capitalized. It has leaves. Leaves come down. That gives me a clue as to which fall it is. So which one do you think it is? A or B? If you picked A, you are right. It's this fall. The leaves are falling. It's the time of year. Okay, another one is bat. Bat is a multiple meaning word. Multiple, it has more than one meaning. A bat is a wooden stick used to hit a ball, or a bat is a small flying animal. Oh, this one has three. To bat is to hit a ball with a wooden stick. So a bat is the wooden stick, bat animal, or to bat means to hit the ball. So now I'm going to read you a sentence and you're going to decide which bat is correct. I run out to the field when it is my turn to bat. Is it A, B, or C? I run out to the field when it's my turn to bat. Use your clues in the sentence. Okay, some of the clues I have is that it says when it's my turn, it has the word field. So right away I could decide that it's not A. So that leaves me B and C. And then the bat that we're talking about is this one. My turn to bat. So the correct answer was C. So remember, when you're reading, think what other meanings do the words have. Use clues like we did today in our sentence to help you understand the word. And ask yourself, does it make sense? Because if it doesn't make sense, then it's not right. And then go back and reread, because we know that good readers always reread, right? Even Miss Cortez has to reread all the time. So now it's going to be your turn. I'm going to give you each a word, a multiple meaning word. And if you don't know what the two meanings are, you're going to find an adult to help you. And an adult is going to help you figure out what the two meanings are. You're going to get a sheet of paper and you're going to fold it in half. Like this. You're going to write your word on top. So let's say I have the word cold. I'm going to write cold and cold. And then I'm going to draw a picture for the two kinds of cold. Now I know cold can mean like freezing, so maybe I'm drawing some snow because it's cold. Or maybe it's cold like somebody's sick. They have a thermometer. They have a cold. Okay, that's just a really fast drawing. So then I'm gonna have you post that on the website so that we can all see. If for some reason you can't, that's okay. Then you just take a picture of it and you post it on Dojo, okay? So I'm gonna tell you what your word is and you're gonna be responsible for that multiple meaning word. Sophia and Chanel, you have cold. You can't use my picture, girls. Cold. And Aiden and Dexter, your word is rock. So think of what rock means. It has two meanings, rock. Kingston, I'm sorry, the rock was Aiden and Dexter. Aiden and Dexter. Kingston, you're doing saw. Abraham and Christy, you have right. Right. Caden, your word is watch. Watch. Juliana, your word is bat. So think of the two words the two things that bat means. Aubrey, your word is fall. Fall. Trayvon, your word is duck. Jade, yours is can. Can. Luis, you're doing stick. Stick. Mateo J, you're doing tie. Tie. T-I-E, tie. Jordan and Mateo M, you're doing march. March. Jacob M and Carlos, you're gonna do space. JJ and Monica, your multiple meaning word is wave. Wave. And Emily and Jacob T, you're doing fan. Fan. And Jose, you're gonna do change. Change. Okay, good luck. I can't wait to see your pictures.